Hi friends, this is Ravi from D2S Investments and Consulting Solutions. So last week I shared my thoughts about how to respond to a crisis like what we are facing now due to COVID-19 situation. So today I'm going to share another anecdote from sports again, from cricket, how to handle adversity, how to stay in the present. Okay, so what cricket teaches again. So from my childhood, I've been a great fan of Rahul Dravid. Means if you had followed Rahul Dravid's career, he has always performed extremely well under pressure situations. Okay, so a lot of critics used to point to him that he is not fit to play one-day cricket. He is only fit to play test match. He proved everybody wrong. So he improved his game, and in many one-day matches he has helped India to win matches. And when India wanted, he kept wickets as well. So he was a complete team player. He always played for the team. So India is what mattered to Rahul Dravid. Was so he is a great inspirational figure. And now, if you see, Rahul Dravid post retirement has been helping the under 19 team, India A team. He is the head coach of the National Cricket Academy. Okay, so now, so we all cricket fanatics would remember the 2001 India Australia series. India dramatically won the series 2-1. So it was a three-match series. Australia won the first match at Mumbai. So the second match was at Kolkata. Australia scored about 445 runs in the first innings. India batted when India batted their first innings. They hardly scored 170 runs. So they were asked to follow on. So the India was shot by around 280 runs to Australia's first inning score of 445. So Steve Waugh, even today, the captain of Australian team, even today regrets about the follow-on which he enforced. Okay, so India were asked to follow on. So in their second innings, India again were struggling. Means 100 for the loss of 4 wickets. The openers went out, got out, and Sachin got out. Ganguly also got out. So it was about the partnership of Rahul Dravid and VVS Lakshman. So what we are now going to discuss, what I am going to share about how to stay at the present. Though there is so India, for example, were behind about 280 runs, and then so in the second innings they were 200 per 4. They were still short by another 180 runs. So they had to clear the deficit of 180 runs, and then any further score the Australia would bat had to chase. So that was the situation we were in. Dravid and Lakshman were in the crease. India were in a deep crisis. So when Dravid was asked several times in his interviews, so he said, so what Dravid and Lakshman were discussing at the end of each over is, yes, there is a long-term goal about clearing the overall deficit. How to break it into each over. So what we are always discussing was what needs to be done in this over and the next over and few overs. So always break down your long-term goals into small parts. Stay in the present. If you think too much about a long way ahead, so we will be mentally disturbed. So what they decided was to break down into each over step by step, and by then so at the end of third test play, so India was almost So India were 60-70 runs behind the Australian score. Fourth day, the entire day, Dravid and Lakshman played. Okay, so every over they played with discipline, patience, and the Australian bowlers started tiring. And at the end of fourth day's play, India were almost 250 runs ahead of Australia. And then fifth day morning, so Ganguly declared. So both Dravid and Lakshman made a fantastic century. But means in fact Lakshman scored a double hundred and Dravid scored a 160, 170 odd. And as we know, so on the last day, Harbhajan Singh, the chief destroyer of the Australian batting attack, so helped India to secure a very famous win. So what this sports, this cricket teaches us is, yes, see the coronavirus, so pandemic is having a lot of stress level among the people. Okay, so we need to find slowly ways and means. We need to be very disciplined. Okay, like what we discussed about this test match in Kolkata. Discipline daily. We need to see how we can improve. Support the government's initiatives. When we go out, we see that we maintain social distancing, wear mask, and then leave the gap between two people, stand in the queue. Basic discipline will help us in going a long way. As a society, why countries like Japan and Korea are doing much better? What happened to Japan during the World War II? Their major two cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, were completely destroyed. How Japan was able to build the entire country from scratch due to discipline and hard work. We need to learn as a society. We need to take a step as citizen. Be disciplined when we move out, and all the public properties what we have, we need to ensure that so we through our responsible actions we were able to maintain it. Okay, so let us put our individual effort in terms of maintaining discipline through hard work and helping each other. These are the 2-3 very simple, effective human values. Let us, as responsible citizens, let us try to put in practice in our daily life starting today. If we do this on a daily basis, eventually we win this battle and our country will come out stronger. Thank you so much. This is Ravi signing off.